There are so many areas that are important for us to advance in medical science. And that's what's so extraordinary about the lab, people really pushing those boundaries, asking new questions. It's what gives me hope for how we could move our society forward.
Cold Spring Harbor has always been, a mecca, a legendary place for doing basic biology research. And the thing that really drew me was the breadth of the science that was happening here.
The lab has this big vision in biomedical science that it has invested in diverse group of people ranging from plant biology, genetics, to neuroscience, to cancer biology, to quantitative biology. And being surrounded with these people gives me the assurance that I'm in the right environment and I can take a risk. And if I fail, I can learn from that failure. And if I keep my course straight, I'm destined to make an impactful discovery.
Working here is a really unique environment because it's just so collaborative and interactive. And I often tell people that it's like a superorganism, like if there's a piece of equipment, if there's a bit of expertise, that we all share everything.
It's a very small, highly collaborative community, and that there is vision to support high-risk research that other institutes might shy away from.
For you as a scientist, it's very stimulating to get input from scientists that do something completely different. You get to actually look at your questions from a completely new and creative ways. And I think that's something very special about Cold Spring Harbor.
I think one of the most exciting things about being at Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory is the Meeting and Courses program.
Cold Spring Harbor has the tradition of these meetings and courses to share information, to teach one another, and make science more accessible.
It really allows you to almost every month to come in contact with some of the best scientists in the world. And they come on campus, they present their research, and you're really able to see it, to talk to them. It really fosters collaboration, and it really allows you to be on top of the game of what is happening.
We're launching a campaign called Foundations for the Future to really advance 21st century science. It's focused on neuro-AI, neurodegenerative diseases, and brain body.
The idea is to merge neuroscience and machine learning and take new ideas from neuroscience to advance the state of the art in machine learning.
My lab studies how hormones act on the brain, but what I'm really interested in is the expansion of our new brain-body program here, because that will give me the opportunity to work with researchers that work on these other parts of the body and help us develop better targeted therapeutics.
And so we are really looking forward to seeing that community grow at Cold Spring Harbor, because already I think we are at a critical mass where new discoveries are made because a group of people who coalesce around this question have emerged. And if we can fuel that energy with new influx of talent, we will make some very important discoveries over the years to come, I'm confident.
It's actually a very novel approach. Not many people are doing this in the world, and I think that Cold Spring Harbor is positioning itself at the forefront of this research.
Our institution has a science-first mentality. The funds that are raised are utilized for the advancement of science and creating these new initiatives. So as a scientist, the fundraising is directly impacting our ability to do science. Not just to build new buildings, but to actually make those buildings, make new discoveries.
Pushing the boundaries of science is important at the lab. It's important to all of us. We want to improve the quality of life for people and live them to the fullest. Science is the key to those things. We're going to have an impact. We're going to be seeing changes, and I'm excited for the future.